Now, if you guys didn't know, the 67 GTO, if you look at the taillights, they go like this, all right? Like that. And that's how you can tell a GTO body. I have seen people take the that rear panel out and put a GTO panel in it, but only the GTOs had the lights that were like this in 67. The Le Mans and the other ones had, you know. Everybody, welcome to another episode of Hot Wheels TV. Today we have the Convertibles series from Walmart. There are 10 cars in the set, and of course they are all convertibles. Imagine that. Let's get right to it. Number one is the 65 Ford Mustang convertible. And that is done in a nice dark maroon metallic. Has white stripes on the hood and the trunk lid. White interior, clear windshield. The base is chrome, which is just the front bumper and the rear bumper and the rear taillights. The tampo on the side, there is a silver Hot Wheel logo on the quarter panel and a white stripe down the rocker panel. And you got your Mustang with the horse emblem on the front fender behind the front wheel. The wheels are all small chrome 5-spokes. And that is it for the 65 Ford Mustang convertible. Number two is the 69 Camaro convertible. And that is done in a nice yellow enamel. Has a black interior. Windshield is tinted a little bit on it. The stripe on the side's got the hockey stick stripe on there. Says Camaro right behind the front wheel. It's got a Hot Wheel logo and a red side marker light on quarter panel. And also has a marker light on the front fender too. The wheels are the Classics 5-spoke chrome ones. Got big ones in the back, little ones in the front. And it has a black plastic base. And the cool thing about this is it's got the RSSS hidden headlights. I love those headlights. They are so cool in these cars. Man, just love it, love it, love it, love it. So there it is, 69 Camaro convertible. Number three is 1955 Corvette. Now, all of these are done with a metal body and a plastic base. This one is the only one that has a metal body and a metal base. This has chrome aero disc wheels on it also, all the way around, small ones. Now this color is close to the Harvest Gold that the 55 Corvette came out with. I think 55 was the first year for the Corvette with Harvest Gold. And this 55 was the first year that you could get a V8 in the car also. So yeah, they were going after the T-Bird with the 55 Corvette, and I think they did a pretty good job. You know what I mean? But yeah, this is done in a metal body and a metal base. The only one out of the 10 that are that way. The headlights are painted up really nice. The logo on the nose is there. The grille is part of the metal base, sticking right through the body there, and looks really cool. Stripe down the side on the molding. Also, there's a tampo above that, and on the quarter panel is the Hot Wheels logo. Taillights are not painted, nothing painted in the back. The interior, it looks like a very dark maroon plastic. The windshield is clear. And that is it. Like I said, metal base, unpainted metal base, and that's coming through the front end as the grille. And that is it. 1955 Corvette. Number four. This is the Corvette C6, and that is done in black enamel. Has a really a dark orange, like a burnt orange stripe on the hood. Headlights are done up nice. The logo on the nose. The marker lights are done. See orange on the front and more of a reddish orange on the back. The stripe, same thing, burnt orange all the way down. Looks like it's got a silver Hot Wheel logo behind the front wheel on the front fender. Interior is a dark gray, kind of like a pewter, and the windshield is clear. This has a black plastic base, and the wheels are chrome PR5s. Got big ones in the back and little ones in the front. And that is it. Corvette C6 convertible. Number 5. That is the 64 Lincoln Continental convertible. And of course you guys know that this is a 4-door convertible. And it has suicide doors, which means that they open up like that. The front ones open up the normal way and the back one opens up opposite. So, but that's really, really cool if you ever see one do that. Let's see. The paint is a beautiful, beautiful blue metallic. And that is really nice. The stripes on this, on the hood and the trunk lid, are a light blue pearl. Also, along the side has a blue pearl, light blue pearl Hot Wheel logo on the rear quarter panel behind the rear wheel. The interior is a light blue. Windows are clear. Well, actually, windshield is clear. The base is chrome, which goes with the front grille, headlights, and front bumper, and the rear bumper and taillights. And that is it for this. But boy, this is a really good-looking car. I like the subtleness of the light blue pearl stripes in this. Makes it really, really look nice. Number 6 is the 67 Pontiac GTO. Little GTO. This is really nice. It's done in a red enamel, nice bright red enamel. Has black stripes on the hood. Has looks like a Hot Wheel logo on the trunk lid facing the rear. Stripes on the side, and it's got a big, like a pointed, kind of like a Baldwin Motion looking pointy stripe on it on the side. Also has a silver pinstripe. The door handle is also done in silver. The quarter panel says GTO in silver, like the normal emblem does. And let's see what else. Black interior. Windshield is clear. The base is chrome, which goes with the rear bumper and the whole rear panel there where the taillights are. And the front grille, bumper, and headlights. Now, if you guys didn't know, the 67 GTO, if you look at the taillights, they go like this, all right? Like that. And that's how you can tell a GTO body. I have seen people take the that rear panel out and put a GTO panel in it, but only the GTOs had the lights that were like this in 67. The Le Mans and the other ones had, they were all different lights. Let's see. The wheels on this are chrome MC5s, big ones in the back and little ones in the front. And that is it. 67 Pontiac GTO. Number 7. Number 7 is the 49 Merc. And that is done in a really nice light green pearl. Kind of a lime green pearl. And it has white, I don't know if you call them scallops or not, but it's got white pinstripes and stuff on the hood and on the trunk and down the side. It has a light green Hot Wheel logo on the rear fender skirt. The wheels are chrome aero discs all the way around. The headlights are done in silver. The base is chrome, and it goes with the front bumper and the front grille. That looks pretty neat. The rear bumper and exhaust also. The interior is a nice bright white, and the windshield is clear. And that is it. Number 7 is the 49 Merc. Number 8. Porsche Boxster Spyder, and that is done in a nice bright white enamel. Headlights are done really well. It's got the Porsche logo on the nose. The front grills or the intakes, whatever they are there for brakes or air or whatever, they are looks like they're part of the black plastic base, wide open there, and you can see them through the vent. The interior is black plastic. Windshield is tinted pretty dark on this one. Tampo down the side is a black stripe with black Porsche on the side. The wheels are blacked out 10 spokes, small ones, all the way around. The base, again, is black plastic, which goes with the front bumper and the front grille inserts, like I said earlier. And that is it for this one. Number 8, the Porsche Boxster Spyder. Number 9. Number 9. Yeah, you guys caught that last time, huh? Number 9. Number 9. Only the old guys know that one. Oh, boy. This is the 2017 Pagani Huayra Roadster. You didn't think I was going to get the Huayra thing, did you? Because it took me so long the last time to get Huayra. But yeah, I got it. I remembered. See? You guys teach me. I try to remember. What I had for breakfast? Who knows? But I'm working on that stuff. This is done in a really nice purple metal flake. That is really cool. The tampos on the nose and the rear are black with some dark gold in there, and that looks really cool. Interior is black plastic. The windshield is tinted dark. The base is black plastic, which goes with the front. I don't know if it's got we call that a bumper now. I mean, it's got a splitter on there, and it's got the grill. But I really wouldn't want to hit this thing with anything, because boy, it would cost a lot of money to fix it, because I don't see a bumper anywhere. The rear, a little bit of maybe a valance on the back there. Tail lights are done. Pretty cool. You can hardly see them though. And it has, I believe it says Pagani on the right hand side. Silver Hot Wheel logo. It's on the left hand side, but you can see, you know, there's tampos on each side of this. And the wheels are gold 10 spokes, small ones, all the way around. Man, it's a good looking car. I can imagine what a real one would cost, but man, that's cool looking. I wouldn't mind taking that out for a ride. It'd be kind of fun. 2017 Pagani Huayra Roadster, number 9. Number 10, last one up, is the 2015 Jaguar F-Type Project 7. And that is done in a dark gray pearl. Cool. Has a dark gray stripe along the front end. Starts on the fender, goes all the way around to over the hood to the other fender. Headlights are done. There are 2 air scoops in the kind of like nostrils up there on the hood. They're done in black. It's got a very dark gray circle on the side there on the door. Put your numbers on if you're going racing for the weekend. Got a Hot Wheels logo behind the front wheel and the front fender. There's a vent above the Hot Wheel logo that is done in black. Let's see, anything else for paint on this thing? Nope. Taillights are not done, nothing in the back. Interior is a shiny black plastic. Windshield is tinted pretty good on it. The wheels are blacked out Y5s. Got big ones in the back, little ones in the front. The black plastic base goes with, got a splitter in the front, and the front grills. There's the one in the center, and then the ones for the brakes on each side, which are part of the base, and also the rear valance and exhaust for this also. And that is it for the 2015 Jaguar F-Type Project 7. This is all 10 of the convertible series from Walmart. I think our store only had like 2 sets of them, and man, they were gone. So I know some stores get a lot, some stores don't. And when I can't get them, I got to have our buddy Brent get them for us, because he hits a lot of the different stores around. So that is it. Thanks for watching Hot Wheels TV. Always appreciate you guys coming by. Please share our videos. Please tell your friends. please subscribe. And of course, please be kind to one another. And don't forget, we have some of our merch, as people call it, merchandise. You can now get the official Mike Zarnock Hot Wheels coloring book. You can get that from Fireball Publishing on Etsy and from Amazon. And also our new t-shirts, you can get those at mikezarnock.com. So until we see you right here next time at Hot Wheels TV, guys, take care of yourselves, and we hope to see you real soon. Bye-bye.